Hey everyone, it's November 26th as I'm filming this. Had a really great day today. Today's video just, I don't know why, maybe because it's Thanksgiving weekend down there in America, but it just took off, which is, I was stunned. I don't know why, but I'll take it. And that's got me wanting to come out and do some stuff in the shop tonight. Everybody in the house is asleep. We got colds going around and everything else. I got a bit of a, just getting over one myself. But any rate, this Poulan Pro here, I don't know. It's not oiling. Doesn't seem to be anyway. And I don't really know how that system works. So I'm just going to kind of take stuff apart until I figure it out. And as far as I mean, you saw the other day that it doesn't want to stay running anymore. It was running really nicely, so I'm not sure why it's acting up now, but it doesn't want to stay running and seems a bit down on power compared to the other one. So that I will tackle at another time. It's pretty late, so I don't want to make all that much noise, even though I'm out here in the shop. Chainsaws are pretty loud and they can hear it inside. So I'll fix the oiler first, because really that's pretty important anyway, and see if I can figure out what's going on. A bit more there. Oh. Yikes. Getting a bit of oil there, but not a lot. Not nearly enough, that's for sure. Get off of there. So let's see. It pumps it up through there. I have no idea. One more. Oh, well, pretty dirty in here. I don't think that's got much to do with our oiler, but I really ought to clean this all out. Gnarly. Gross. Okay, so what did we find? Well, I pulled off the clutch and everything and gave it a bit of a cleanup. And underneath this little oil, this is the oil pump, I guess. It's driven by the spring on the shaft here, and it's got a little kind of a gear inside there that rotates somewhat. It's kind of stiff. I don't know. I ran out of brake clean, so it's about as clean as I can get it for now. Maybe some WD-40 or something to flush it out. Yeah, just about anything anyway. At any rate, it was pretty plugged up, so I think once this is all cleaned out, I think we'll be okay, at least on the oiling side.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Brr! It is minus 25, minus 26 Celsius right now. It is cold. And young Mr. Stratton has taken to relieving himself in the girls' bedroom lately. So he's not really so welcome in the house anymore. But because it's so cold outside, and he tries to come in here into the shop, and he gets along real well with that big guy there. But with Clyde, not so much, so he gets pretty scared and he runs out of here. So I'm going to put a cat door, you can see all the stuff behind me here, in the chicken coop, because that is moderately heated, at least it's not minus 30. So it gives him another place to go when he's outside and it's so cold. So I'm going to brave the cold and try and get that thrown in, or at least started. So here we go.
Stratty.
Yeah, I know.
It's cold in here. Not much space to work either. I'll just trace this out. I have intended for many years to replace these doors. In fact, the whole front of this shed is pretty poor. But at such time when I decide to do that, I can always move this door. So that's not so bad. Okay, just connect that across the top. Yay! Oh, it's so cold out here. The air is so dry. I'm battling a cough. I'm not certain I'll get this done today, but I gotta try. Oh. Or at least it might be in segments. Oh. This is some poor workmanship. Okay. Oh.
Well, what can I say? The bitter cold yesterday killed my phone off pretty quick. So anyway, there's the finished cat door. And last night, let's see, yeah, there's Mr. Lawson hanging out with the chickens. You driving the tractor? What a good boy. Hey, you want to come out? Show us how you use the door. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Out you come. Oh, what a smart boy. Good job. Come on, let's go get some food.